So let's start to make a mayonnaise dip. So for that I've taken 3 teaspoons of mayonnaise, half an onion chopped and half capsicum chopped, added some pepper and salt and just give it a nice mix. So now I'll show you what all I have added to this potato, to this boiled and mashed potato. So some salt, that is salt as per your taste, and some breadcrumbs, and the masala which we grinded already, which we grinded earlier. So I've added that, and just give it a mix so that everything mix up nicely. Use your hand if needed. So I've added breadcrumbs, the masala which we grinded earlier, some salt and some pepper, and just give it a good mix. And lastly, the coriander leaves. You have to add coriander leaves. I'll be adding now. So just now I'm going to arrange the hot dog, the vegetarian hot dog, into the hot dog bun. So this is the bun which I have, and this can be fried if you want, or you can just have it just like that also. So I've just fried on the pan for just a few seconds, and then I'm going to be placing this hot dog So I'm going to first spread the mayo dip which I made. So just spread the mayo dip like this on it, and then place this vegan hot dog on it, and you can also stack some capsicum, and if you want, it's your choice. If you want to spread some mustard or the tomato sauce, it's completely your choice. So I would like to be eating just like this. So this is how you arrange the hot dog.